Hey there, this video is going to be a little bit different from my usual review videos. Instead, I'm just going to have a little bit of fun and do kind of like a B-roll showcase of my new favorite mechanical keyboard, the Pok3r LE, with putting keycaps. But before we jump into the B-roll showcase, I'll at least briefly talk about the Pok3r LE. So, let's get started. The LE in the name Pok3r LE actually stands for limited edition. What this actually means is that functionally, it is pretty much identical as the standard Pok3r. The main difference between the LE and the standard is actually the casing. The LE has a larger casing, has a Vortex logo branding on it, and loses the floating key design. It is also noticeably heavier than the standard Pok3r. But what you do gain from the LE is this awesome translucent strip around the casing. This strip actually lights up from the spill of the backlight from your keys. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and you have multiple options for colors for that translucent strip. I chose a white because it'll reveal all the colors evenly. But yeah, apart from the case, it is all pretty much the same. And with that, let's go right into the B-roll showcase.